So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about summarize function in Power BI DAX. So Power DAX formula, one such formula is summarize. So what does this summarize means? The huge amount of data rows into one table which provide criteria column. So at the end, like whatever data we have, you can create a new table with that. For example, you may have multiple city sales value. Still, each city has multiple rows of transactions. So using the summarize function, we can create summary table with each city which have only one row transaction with summarize line. So let's see, like we can do that, like how we can create that. For that, we have to go to this modeling, and from this modeling we have to take this new table this time. So whenever we will take this new table and we will give it a name, summarize. Here name is summarize, we have just given its name summarize. Then we will put equal to, and then we will give the formula which is summarize, then bracket open. So first of all is table name, the group by column. So this time then we have to take table. First of all we will take table is our order, then I will put comma, then like we will take order city, then we will put comma, then you can take your category also, and then our order sales and the last, and just click this button. So now we have a new summarize name table created, and like if you want to see it in our table, we create the table here. Just click over it, we can put the category, and we can put our cities, and we can put our sales there, and we can see the detail of our sales city wise and category wise. So this way we can use summarize function by creating a new table in our fields. Thank you very much for watching.